Hey, it's Joe Glassman, Automator, and I had a little problem here I was working through with Claude. Let me share my screen. And what was interesting was I had it create an SVG using, I gave it a description initially and asked it to kind of break out these groups into people and create a Venn diagram, thanks to Ryan, a buddy of mine. And what was interesting was I was like, okay, this is SVG. The way SVGs work in Claude is you can click here and I can see the text. It's basically HTML and edit things and move them around. But I had to click here and then click back here and click to see how it looks and click back, and it was really annoying. So it occurred to me of like, hey, maybe I can get Claude to create an AutoHotkey script for me that will allow me to view both at the same time. So it did. Let me show the script here. I'll go ahead and launch it. It should show up on that screen, I think. Yeah, so now we have, this is a sample script in how it looks, and I can zoom in and out. And yeah, is it perfect? No, but I can zoom over here. Okay, here's how this SVG looks. I can hit open, and open, here's the overlap. This is that one I was working on. See how it looks. That's pretty good. It's also resizable, but I can zoom in a bit more. Here we go. And like I said, most importantly, let's zoom in a little more. I can change the text here. Business foundation. That's that blue text there. Let's just delete that. And it all dies. What is with that? Oh, it just reset. Sorry. It reset the zoom. So remove that, and it's resetting the zoom every time, but you can see how you can update it. So it's really cool because that's how SVGs work, and SVGs scale like crazy, so you can zoom in and out, and the text is actually there. So if I scroll over here, this is text, I think that I can, well, with the right editor, yeah, there we go, I can select it and stuff. So it's very, very cool. Great to have a tool that I can dynamically make changes to. What I should probably tell it to do also is when I make a change to reset the zoom back to the original, so ideal member, reset it, and yeah, it looks like it's not resetting the zoom, but it is changing the scrolling, so maybe I can get it to not do that or have it take up more of the screen. But still, if you're struggling with your code, definitely look at either Claude or Grok to write your code for you. You might do like I did, and here under my projects, if you're a paid member, you can have projects, and here I have libraries, and so I tell it these are some of the libraries I use a lot. I need to add, because in this library I was using the WebView 2 tool, so I use it in a different one, but I'm going to import it here, so it's always in here, right? And I have a lot more capacity. But when I look at the code, let me show you, because I'm also using our notifications. In the code, when it's giving me code back, it's just using those libraries. So it writes includes and uses the libraries that I have locally, because I tell it in my include, this is where these are located on my computer, right? So when Claude is giving me back code, it's just giving me this as an include. It doesn't give me that entire code, right? So it makes it nice and clean. This is the script here. It's a couple hundred lines, not bad at all. But very, very cool. Took a little bit of work, but it, you know, again, if you're trying to do something that you're struggling with, AI is there where it can solve your problems, or maybe switch it over to Python or solve it in Python, and then just, you know, you have to know how to run Python code, but it's pretty easy. All right, hope you enjoyed that. Have a great day. Cheers.